Okay, so yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to this live stream on 7th of May, 10 p.m. in the evening, only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. Hi everyone, welcome to this live stream. Good evening. Let me know how are you people doing in. Great. So yeah, just tell me out. Okay, yeah, we have hi Kava. Hi Kavadhara. Great to have you in this live stream. Okay, cool enough. Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to this live stream. Hope you all are doing very good and staying safe as well at your ends. Okay, cool enough. So yeah, people are just still joining in the session. So yeah, we can just wait on for 1, 2, 4, 5 minutes more, and then we can start on our today's live stream. I guess yeah, many of you are very much excited that what are we gonna make up today into this particular live stream. So I won't take too much time of yours. I would take a very little time, and after that I can disclose up what are we gonna do and the things like that. Right, so yeah, welcome everyone, welcome to this live stream. Hope you all are doing very good at your ends. Okay, great, very nice, very nice. Up till that time, what I could do is that I could let you know the complete agenda, what I follow onto my channel, right? That we can do in. Okay, let me start on. So, currently, last week only, no, not last week, this week only, that's on Monday, actually, the Monday which has gone into this particular week only. I started up a new series onto my channel, and that is for the machine learning, right? So, there I started out with the machine learning, and further we will be covering up some cool machine learning topics, some Python which is in machine learning, the mathematical stuffs, and further your algorithms, everything, your models in the machine learning, everything will be covering up in the detail into this particular series. So if you want to learn machine learning, so yeah, you can just please refer out my channel. Every morning 10 a.m. you get up a new video regarding to machine learning. And yeah, even something is as well cooking at my end. It means something like we are planning in to launch up something new from the upcoming week. So yeah, stay tuned on to the channel, and hope whatsoever the new series we are trying to launch in, if that successfully works on, so hope you are gonna enjoy up that series a lot and lot, because that's the most demanding one which is right now being asked about by the people, by you all, by all my supporters to me, for make up the videos on that respective topics and the things. So hope from this coming week, that is from Monday, you will get to have some new and some more cool stuffs, and some different stuff other than the educational things which we are having onto the channel. So hope you all are gonna enjoy up into that particular videos as well. Right, so just wait on for the upcoming week, and let's see what's gonna start up there. Okay, great, fine, very nice. So yeah, welcome everyone, welcome to the live streams. And yeah, completely for the complete week we go on with the machine learning, machine learning only, machine learning stuffs. And Saturday evenings, you know, it's the live streams, and Sundays as well you will get in your machine learning things only. So that's the complete idea regarding whatsoever we are doing, and the complete things regarding that, right? So it's, look, all of the things are like this only. Even if you do not know, I have one more YouTube channel of mine, and that's UPSC with Shambhavi. So that channel covers up your complete information regarding your preparation for your civil services, even for your government jobs and the things like that. So if you're a person who really wants to pursue all these things, so please go ahead, subscribe that channel, which is UPSC with Shambhavi, and there you will get a lot of stuff regarding these particular UPSC preparations to study out. Okay, great. And onto the channel which you are watching up the live stream, which is Fun with Data Science. So if you haven't subscribed out this channel, so guys, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead very quickly, hit on that red button which is just present downside. That's the subscribe button. And even share up this live stream with your friends right away, so that if they want, they can as well get in up here in this live stream and learn about making up some cool Python projects here with me. Okay, so now I guess it's a good time where I can disclose that what's the project which we are gonna make up today into this live stream. So today we'll be making and a sort of very quite different projects which we have done up till now. From the very starting, we are simply doing the projects which are related to Tkinter in almost all of my live streams. I have I've done up the projects which are related to the Tkinter library. Right, but no, today I'm not gonna have up something like that. It is something very, very different. Okay. Today I'll be letting you know how you can put watermark onto your images or onto your text or onto your videos with the help of Python programming language. Cool enough, right? Now you do not need to use any third-party app for putting up the watermarks into your images so that no other person can use it out, or further you can just simply like using that particular project of today, so putting watermarks into your videos so that no other person can use in there or using your videos as naming their videos and the things like that. Right, now just stop using up the third party apps which are there in the market. Make up your own, develop up some cool things with the help of Python and use your own ones. Right, so that's it. Particularly I'll be letting you know that how you can make up a project, an app, not an app, yeah, but it's gonna be a project into which you will be able to put up the watermarks onto your images, onto your text, either onto your videos, whatever you want out. Okay, it's gonna be very, very, very much fun doing so here. रोहित गुंजल मैम ये अपलोड होता है क्या यूट्यूब पर? Yes, Rohit, you get this uploaded onto the YouTube tomorrow around 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. in the afternoon, Rohit. It will get uploaded onto the YouTube there, okay? Or whatever the live streams I have done up till now, those all are summed up into a playlist, which is a live stream playlist into my channel. So you can go over that live stream playlist and check on this particular video. And yes, it will be uploaded onto the channel only tomorrow somewhat around 12 p.m. in the afternoon or 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay. Great. Yeah, so cool enough, excited enough for making this cool Python project that is putting up the watermarks into your images or text or to your videos so that no other person can steal your videos or images and use as their own. And now no need to use any third-party apps for putting up the watermarks, right? Make your own Python program for putting up the watermarks. And that's so we'll be discussing up today into this particular video. So let's get started up very, very quickly here. Okay. See, now when I am talking about SB Town, ma'am, how much money you earn from YouTube? Okay, SB Town, let me tell you one thing here. Today actually I was planning, or I was just recording some video like this only about how much do I earn from my resources or whatsoever I do. And SB Town, soon this new series is gonna come up over my channel. Soon you will be able to get this video into your mobile apps, into your notifications that Fun with Data Science has posted a video that how much do I earn per month. Okay, soon you will see this video onto your mobile, so just wait on for more little time. Okay, just wait on for a little time and yes, you will get the answer for this question. I was just planning to record the same video actually. Okay, great. So yeah, that's done. But you know, it's been down my actually not only YouTube is one of the source of my income. Actually, I work up as an instructor at Udemy. I work up as a subject matter expert at Upgrad. I work as a video content creator for Great Learning, for Geeks for Geeks. So these are as well the some of the other sources of my income. Completely, I will be talking in detail further into some of my videos. Okay, great. Fine, so let me start on this particular project here. Today we had a lot of discussions in the starting, right? Let's start on the project. So first of all, I would let you know that what is a library, that we will be needing it up here in this particular today's project. Let me tell you. So I'm going to write up here either. So I'm going to write from PIL. I am going to import up the image function, comma, I'm gonna import up the image draw, and even I'm gonna import up the image and font, image font. Okay, so I'll be using up this PIL library, that is my pillow library, PILLOW. Now this is one of the libraries which you are having up in Python, and that's completely used in for like working onto the images. This is a very special library that you using up here for working onto the images. Okay, Sidhu, today's Python project is gonna be putting up the watermarks onto your images or videos or your text without using any third-party apps. Today we'll be developing our own Python project with the help of which you will be able to put up the watermarks onto your images onto your end only. Okay, it's like that particular one. So yes, from PIL I was talking about the pillow library. So pillow is one of the library that completely focuses upon working over your images only. You want to draw something over the image, you want to write something over the image, or you want to work up something with the image. So PIL, that stands for your pillow library, that will help you out to do any of the stuffs which is related to your images. So make sure to remember this thing and keep this thing in particular of your minds, that PIL library completely works up onto your images, completely focuses upon to your images, right? And that's the thing. Now if you haven't imported PIL into your devices, into your local machine, so just very quickly write up a command which is pip install pip install pillow, and it will be installed up for you, and then you can write up this particular importing of your respective functions and your libraries. So it's just like that. Okay, so my library which I wanted to import, that I had already done it up here. Now next what I'm going to do is that next I will simply first of all open up the image onto which I want to put up my particular I would say my particular the watermark. Okay, so that's the thing. Let me just very quickly do that. I'm gonna take up d underscore im, okay, let's like img. Okay, and now I'm gonna write up this image function, the one which I had imported up here, right? This one I'm gonna use it up here, image dot, and I'm gonna use up this particular function of open. So what it will do, whatever the image name I'm gonna write up inside this particular function, that's my open function, it will actually help you out to simply go ahead and simply open up that particular video for you. Sanika Kulkarni, can you type the command in chat box here? Yes, Sanika, I can do that. Just give me out a second. I'm gonna write up here pip install its pillow. Here it is, Sanika, in the chat box. You can just please check that out. Okay, so yeah, this image is the function that is from my PIL library, and open is my function which will help me to open up my image, and the name of that is image.jpg. Okay, now one thing to very clearly you have to make up sure here, that the image onto which you are putting up your watermarks, that particular image is present into the same folder in which your Python file is present where you are writing up your code. I hope you had listened me out. I would repeat it once again because that's the most important part of this particular program. Make sure that the image into which you want to put up the watermark, that particular image, you are simply using it up here, and that particular image should be present up into the same folder where your Python file is saved, into which you are writing this code. See, for me, I am using up a one destination that is like, well, one second, let me show you. It's like this particular one. So I'm going to put up my image into this particular destination only. So you will find up here, for me, like it's getting down. Let me check it out where. GHI, and yeah, here it's somewhat image, it's PNG, somewhat will be this image.jpg. Right, so we'll just find out that particular image here itself. Okay. Okay, Sanika, most welcome, Sanika, most welcome. And Anmol, the use of the CV2 library is, it is sort of an open CV library which helps you with the object detection. Object detection means, let's say you want to detect the face of any person, you want to detect any vehicle, or you want to work out with the hand gestures and the things like that, Anmol. So it's completely based upon your object detections. Okay, that's your OpenCV library. So yes, that image I had loaded up here, for which I want to put in my respective, I would say my watermark, right? And I'm gonna define up two parameters here, the width and the size of my image. So I'm gonna write w_img, comma h_img, means width of my image and the height of my image. So I am not sure about the width and the height of my images, right? I'm not sure about that. So what will I do? I would do one very simple thing. And what's that? Inside this particular one, I would write up the name of the variable into which my file is saved, into which I had opened up my file, inside which I want to put up my watermark, right? So that particular thing we are doing it up here, d_img dot, and I'm going to simply use up the function which is size. So it will automatically detect up the size of my image, what is the size of my image according to the width and according to the height. So I do not have to go over the properties onto my images and then check over the width and the height. That's not at all needed, right? When we are having Python, then in that case nothing extra is needed out actually. Okay, so yeah, okay, most welcome Anmol, most welcome. So could you just please confirm me out, everyone, am I clear up till this particular place, that what did I do up till this particular place, like how did I imported the library, why I imported that, and how did I open up my image, and how did I found it out the size? Am I just clear with that things? And just till that time, let me have up a very quick some water or something with me. Okay. Sidhu ma'am, please make a playlist on data science projects. Okay. Fine, Sidhu, sure, I would just try to do so. But till the time, Sidhu, what you could do, you can just go over and check over my one of the playlists, which is Google App Store, Google Rating Apps Dataset. Okay, that is a data science, that is a data app analysis which I had done up here. And after that, you can even just check out my some 3 to 4 live streams back. There you will as well get one of the data analysis done. But yeah, sure, Sidhu, I would just keep considering your point here. I would just try to make some data science projects, and I would just try to make a playlist for that. Thank you so much for giving up your suggestion and even your requirement to me, Sidhu. Surely I'm gonna work over that. Thanks for that. Okay, Sanika, thanks for the confirmation. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Just 1 second, okay? Okay, great. Let's proceed on. Now, I had opened up my image. Now, after opening up, now what watermark I do want to put up onto my image? What is the watermark that I wanted to put up? Right. Now, let's do that out. So, dr underscore image. Okay. Now, what do I want to draw? So, what do I want to draw there? Based upon that, I'm going to use up a function which is image draw. So, image draw like this. Image draw as well, I had imported it up just away here, right? So PIL was importing up my image and even my image draw function. So image draw into the bracket. Now what is the image into which we have to draw something? So that image is saved onto a variable which is d underscore img. So I'm going to write up here d underscore img. So this is the respective variable into which my image is saved, and into that I simply wanted to draw up something. Right, that's done. Next, what text do you want to write up? So I'm going to write text underscore img. Now at my end, I want to write up some text as a sort of a watermark for me. Right. So as a sort of a watermark, I really wanted to write up my name only, that is Shambhavi Gupta. So I'm going to write up there Shambhavi, and it's going to be like here my name Shambhavi Gupta. Right. Now it depends on to you. You can put up any watermark of your choice, whatsoever you want out, either your name or any of your logo or any of your short names, whatever is requirement. Okay, that depends on. So this image draw function will help me to draw something over my image, and this particular, that is my Shambhavi Gupta, that's my name, that would be just written up over as a watermark onto my image. That's the thing which we have done it up here up till now. Now next, this is all done. Now next comes that what's the handwriting into which you want to write up something onto your like I would say onto your particular image. What's the handwriting? Okay, so at my end I had downloaded some fonts online. You can as well just go up online and just write up that download fonts, and you can just simply download up any particular font of your choice, whatever you want out. You can draw like download up that particular font from Google, and you can just paste up that particular font in the same folder where your Python project, where Python file is present, into which you are writing up all of these particular codes. Right, now this is what do you have to do. Go over the Google, there search out the font styles for Python, and there you'll be getting some font styles from any of those whatever you want. You can download that at your local machines, but onto the same folder inside which your particular Python file is saved, in which you are writing your Python program. Right, I had already done. So I'm going to show you like if underscore img is my variable, and I'm going to use this image font as my function. Dot true type, my function which will actually help me to put in my particular location with which I am using up this particular thing. Right, so I'm going to copy up this location. I had already put that up right away here for me. So let me see, control, okay, 1 second. Hold on, control C, fine. And I will just put that up here inside the brackets and remove up this like that. And I'm going to reduce up the size and take that back above like this. Okay, so yeah, that's my location where I am having up a cool handwriting, a cool font saved in for me, into which I want my watermark to appear. Again, I'm telling you people, you can download that from the Google, whatever you want out. Okay, so that's nice. Let me just get down from here. Great, I had just loaded in that particular font type. Right, Now moving on, I had already set it up my image width, right? Now this time I'm going to set up the width of my text. So T underscore img, come on, okay, T underscore img is already made out, sorry. Okay, yeah, it's T underscore w, comma, T underscore height. So width and height of my text, that is my watermark, and which is gonna be here as Shambhavi Gupta, right? That's the thing. So T underscore w, comma, T underscore h, and here what I'm gonna use up that D underscore like that D underscore image dr underscore image function variable. So dr underscore image dot. I'm going to specify up my text size, that what is the size of my text which I want. So text size, I just want it to be the size of the image, comma, the size of my font, right? It means that onto my size of the text, right, I just want up my size of the image, the font image and the text image. Both of the things are required up here. It means that this particular font I want into this particular handwriting. It's just like that. Okay. Sunny, okay, that's Sunny Kulkarni. If I want basic fonts like Arial or Times New Roman, I need to download that also. Yes, actually you need to download that as well, Sanika. You have to do that because you have to put in up the place. Or yeah, you really have to do that out, Sanika, because Arial and font, these are the ones which are associated and connected with your word or your simply the presentations or the simply like that, right? But here you have to be actually having up a respective link or respective place where you are saving up your type of the font which you are requiring out. Okay, happy. How is the watermark going to be, as in horizontal or vertical or slant? It's gonna be the horizontal one. Horizontal. Okay, it's gonna be straight. Okay, let me tell you very easily. It's gonna be as your x-axis. Okay, it's just gonna be onto your x-axis only. As your x-axis is there, just in like that particular manner, it's gonna be. So now that's the thing. We have the simply written it up here accordingly, that what are the things to be done up. Like we had put the image font, we had put the image draw. Now what do you have to do? We are left out with one very small thing, and after that we are done up with the things, and that's like we have to set in the font margin, and then even we have to set in the x and the y values, that where I just want up this particular watermark to be, and then simply we have to display up the image. Okay, that particular part is being left up here. Can we change it? Yeah, happy, you can just change that according to your choice, whatsoever is needed. I would just let you know a little bit more further that how you can change that accordingly. Okay, because still we are left out with a little of the things, and then only you'll be having up a parameter, and according to that parameter you can change that out. Okay, so that's the thing. Great. But before that, I have a very quick announcement for everyone. A very cool announcement that actually right away YouTube has given me a super thanks option, a super thanks button for my channel. So I'm very thankful to you people, and even YouTube as well, for providing me that super thanks option. Now, if you people like studying with me, or if you people think of that the knowledge which I'm providing you, that is of use to you, or if you are learning new things with me here, and if you're implementing and having some good career options with you people, so what is that? Into that particular case, what you can do, you can just please show me some of your support, some love, some gratitude with the help of that super thanks button. Now that super thanks button is not in the live stream, it is being provided into all of my videos. So you can just go over any of my video and there show me some love, show me some support, some gratitude with the help of that super thanks button. Okay, and thank you everyone for supporting me at each and every end of my life. Thank you so much for that. Okay, great. Let's proceed on here. But before that, let me have a quick water. Great. Now I'm going to set up the font margin. So font margin. So my font margin is going to be 10. Now it depends, like you can just experiment out with some of the values here according to your choice, and that will help you out there. Okay, the font margin is going to be as 10 for me. Now at the X position, what's my X position? So it's going to be my image underscore width. That's gonna be width of the image minus, it's gonna be subtraction of my text underscore width, comma, it's gonna be subtraction of my font underscore margin. So actually what I want my watermark to be present at one of the corners, right? So just based upon that I had put up these dimensions. Now it depends on to you that where you want your watermark to appear up. And wherever you want your watermark to appear up, just based upon that you will get in your particular you can set in your X and the Y dimensions. Okay, so I'm setting this X here, and for the Y I'm gonna be doing it for the height. So height underscore image minus text underscore height minus font underscore margin, just like that. Okay, so I just want that to be placed at very last corner, very small corner at this particular place. That is the reason I'm simply doing up this particular calculation here. Okay, now further we were having this draw underscore image function. Let me show you what was that. This was image draw, this one. Okay, so draw underscore image, I'm going to put up the dot, I'm going to use up the text option here. Okay, now putting up these brackets like this, and here I'll be defining up my X comma Y, where I had set on that at what particular place do I want up these things to happen up. So X comma Y, comma, it will be my text image, comma, on what will be my font. So font will be my F underscore img variable. So this F underscore img variable is gonna be up my font. So that's font is equal to F underscore img. Getting down, what I'm going to use here one special of the functions, and that is I'm going to make up one more function, that is d underscore show. Put up the brackets, d underscore, that's my demo. Okay, I could just write it demo underscore img dot show and put up the brackets like that, right? And my d image, that d underscore img, right, that d underscore img, where I had just saved on that onto which of the images I want my watermark to be there. So this particular one, right, this d underscore img, I'm using it up here, dot. I'm gonna save up this as one of the names. Let's say okay, I'm gonna write a watermark 1.jpg like that. Okay, watermark 1.jpg, and just with that I just wanted to save in my things. And one more thing, it's d underscore image instead of that demo. One second, d underscore image, this particular variable it is. Okay, so that's the respective thing. That's my complete program which we wanted to write in. We simply imported out our libraries, and further we have opened the image, we had written what to draw, and we had written what font type do I want. Then next here at this particular place we had set in the dimensions that where I want, and here finally we are displaying and saving out our particular image. That's what we are doing now. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply run up this particular project here, click over the run button, and let's see what's going to happen up here. Like, do we are getting out any output, or we are not getting any sort of outputs, or simply what's happening up here. Okay, so yeah, it's taking up some time for being executed at this end. Let's see what's happening up. it will just simply take up a little bit of time for getting displayed. Now here downside I am having up an image which is being opened. Let me click over that, and let's see. It will take up some time in the opening. It appears file was removed or renamed. Let me close up this particular one, and 1 second, it will actually be as well saved out. So let me show you where it is saved out. Watermark 1. Okay, this is the watermark 1 dot file of mine. Okay, hold on. So yeah, here's my particular file which is being there, and just check out the downside. I'm not sure if you're able to check that out at your ends or not, because I guess my photo is coming at that end. Okay, let me just do one thing, if I can do it out. Okay, 1 second. If I can move myself to the other side, 1 second. I can take myself at the center, I guess. Will that work out? Hold on. Yeah, I guess this much was working out. I hope that now if you are able to check me, see me out, not sure is that really happening up or not, but yeah, I hope yes. Now I hope you must be able to see. Just downside here it is written up like Shambhavi Gupta. Just downside at one of the ends it is written Shambhavi Gupta, and that's so up into the white color. Yeah, great. So this is what is appearing up here as one of my particular watermarks which I had put it up here into this particular picture. Let me show you the real picture which was there. It was image.jpg, right? So it was a particular image. So see, into my real image at the downside I'm not having any of my watermarks, but at the image which is here we are having a watermark downside that we had put it up here with the help of the Python programming language, right? So that's cool enough, right? It's very cool. Like with the help of Python you can simply put up these particular watermarks. You can simply use up these particular tools here and simply put up some of the cool things like that, right? Now someone asked me, yes, happy, the image will be saved up into the system. It will be automatically saved up at that particular position where your Python file is saved, in the same folder where your Python file is there, into which you are writing the code. At the same place the image will automatically be saved out. So yeah, it will be done that automatically. Great. Now here's I guess Happy only was asking me about something about putting up the horizontal vertical. So what you could do, you could put up a comma here and you can use up a parameter of align. Okay, in the align parameter you can put up horizontal or vertical according to your choice, and those things will work it out up for you. Okay, so hope that has helped you out up here for making up this cool Python project with me. I hope you must have enjoyed making up this particular project. So if you could please let me know in the chat box that how many of you were successfully able to make up this project here with me. Okay, great. So yeah, hope you people have enjoyed up this particular video. Sorry, not the video, it's live stream, sorry. Hope you people had enjoyed up this particular live stream today. Got to make up some new or some cool Python project as well, and hope you had enjoyed making up this how to put up the watermarks onto your images with the help of Python programming language. So again, next Saturday I will come up with some new Python project for you only onto this YouTube channel, which is Fun with Data Science. So I would again let you know, if you haven't subscribed out my channel up till now, so please go ahead everyone and subscribe out my channel, and don't forget to press that bell notification so that you do not miss out any updates from the Fun with Data Science YouTube channel. So do join me live next Saturday, same time. It's gonna be 10 p.m. in the night with some new cool Python project for you people. I was very happy to have you all here into this particular live stream. Hope you had enjoyed up the project which we had made, and hope you had got to learn some new things here. Right, so this is all for this particular live stream. We'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening with some new projects. So till then, thank you everyone and take care.